The power of chia seeds for your health. Imagine a tiny seed that has the power to change your health in ways you never thought possible. A seed so small, yet packed with nutrients, that it was once cherished by ancient warriors and is now a favorite among health lovers today. That seed is chia. I know that you are thinking back to the Chia Pet commercial and can hear it in your head. Chia. But what exactly makes chia seeds so special other than the Chia Pet? Brief history of chia seeds. Chia seeds are derived from the plant Salvia hispanica, a member of the mint family. Originally from Mexico and Guatemala, these seeds have been a part of people's diets for thousands of years. In ancient times, chia seeds were a key food source for the Aztecs and Mayans. In fact, the word chia means strength in the Mayan language, and these seeds were often eaten by warriors to give them energy. In modern times, chia seeds have become popular because they are loaded with nutrients and offer many health benefits. They are tiny, black or white seeds with a mild, nutty flavor, and they can be easily added to many dishes. Chia seeds are like a treasure chest full of essential nutrients. Just 1 ounce, or about 28 grams of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, with 5 of those grams being omega-3 fatty acids, and significant amounts of calcium, manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. They also have good amounts of zinc, vitamin B1 or thiamine, vitamin B2, and vitamin B3 or niacin. What makes chia seeds particularly special is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health, reducing inflammation, and improving brain function. Benefits to the body. Number 1. Supports digestive health. To start off, let's talk about the benefits of chia seeds for your digestive system. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber, which is crucial for keeping your digestive system healthy. Fiber is known for helping with digestion and preventing constipation. Please take 2 seconds to help me out and hit the like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video so far. Each like and subscribe helps support this channel and keeps us motivated to keep making great content. Thank you. Now back to what I was saying. Chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water and turns into a gel-like substance in your stomach, which can help you feel full longer and slow down the digestion process. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Eating enough fiber is important for avoiding digestive problems and reducing the risk of developing certain diseases, like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. According to the American Heart Association, adults should aim to consume 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day. Chia seeds can provide up to 11 grams of fiber in just 1 ounce, making it easier to reach this daily goal. Feeling fuller for longer and avoiding digestive discomfort are big wins, but chia seeds offer even more health benefits. Number 2. Weight loss and appetite control. Another health benefit of chia seeds is its ability to control appetite and weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight or control your appetite, chia seeds can be a helpful addition to your diet. The high fiber content helps keep you full, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. When chia seeds are mixed with liquid, they expand and form a gel-like consistency, which can make you feel satisfied for longer periods. This fullness can help prevent overeating and make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Adding chia seeds to your meals, such as smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, can help you manage your weight without feeling hungry all the time. Research in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that incorporating chia seeds into a meal can enhance feelings of fullness and decrease food consumption for up to 24 hours. But the benefits of chia seeds extend that. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Another great power hidden in chia seeds is their high antioxidant content. Chia seeds are not just nutrient-dense, they're also loaded with antioxidants, which are substances that help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can damage your cells, leading to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, reducing the risk of these health issues. Some of the powerful antioxidants found in chia seeds include chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, and quercetin. These antioxidants not only protect your cells from damage, but also support your immune system, improve skin health, and reduce inflammation. Research shows that a diet rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that chia seeds have one of the highest antioxidant capacities of any food. With all the protective benefits of these powerful antioxidants, it's clear that chia seeds are a powerful food for protecting your health. But what if you're concerned about blood sugar levels? Don't worry, chia seeds have you covered there too. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. Next in line is the ability of these chia seeds to regulate blood sugar. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important for everyone, especially for those with or at risk of type 2 diabetes. Chia seeds can help with this because they slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This prevents spikes in blood sugar levels after eating, which is important for managing diabetes. In fact, studies have shown that including chia seeds in your diet can help lower blood sugar levels. One study found that people with type 2 diabetes who ate chia seeds experienced a reduction in blood pressure, inflammation, and blood sugar levels, thanks to their high fiber contents. The American Diabetes Association recommends a diet high in fiber to help manage blood sugar levels. With 11 grams of fiber per ounce, chia seeds are an excellent choice for people looking to stabilize their blood sugar. Regulating blood sugar is crucial for overall health, but that's not all chia seeds can do. Number 5. Bone health benefits. The last but not the least benefit of chia seeds on the list is their ability to keep your bones strong and healthy. Strong bones are essential for staying active and healthy, especially as we age. Chia seeds are rich in several nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds provides about 18% of the recommended daily intake of calcium, which is more than most dairy products. For people who are lactose intolerant or simply prefer to avoid dairy, chia seeds are an excellent alternative for getting the calcium needed to keep bones strong. Regularly consuming chia seeds can help maintain bone density, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and support overall bone health. According to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, getting enough calcium is crucial for maintaining bone health. Chia seeds offer a plant-based source of calcium that can help meet your daily needs. Ensuring your bones are strong and healthy is important. But how can you easily add chia seeds to your diet? Let's explore some simple and delicious ways to incorporate chia seeds into your meals. How to add chia seeds to your diet. One of the best things about chia seeds is how easy they are to add to your diet. They have a mild flavor that works well with almost any dish. You can sprinkle them on top of your cereal, yogurt, or salads. Blend them into smoothies or mix them into baked goods like muffins and bread. You can also make chia seed pudding by mixing chia seeds with your favorite milk and letting it sit in the fridge for a few hours. The seeds will absorb the liquid and create a creamy, pudding-like consistency that's perfect for breakfast or dessert. Another simple way to enjoy chia seeds is to add them to water or juice. Just mix a tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of liquid and let it sit for about 10 minutes. The seeds will swell up and form a gel, creating a refreshing and nutritious drink. This gel can help your body retain fluids and electrolytes, which is especially beneficial during intense exercise or in hot weather. This makes chia seeds a popular choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Adding chia seeds to your water or sports drink before a workout can help enhance endurance, keep you hydrated, and improve overall performance. A survey by the International Food Information Council found that nearly 75% of people are looking for simple ways to improve their diet. Chia seeds, with their versatility and ease of use, are a perfect fit for this trend. With so many easy ways to enjoy chia seeds, there's no reason not to make them a regular part of your diet. But before you start, it's important to know about some safety and precautions to consider. Safety and precautions. While chia seeds are generally safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, because chia seeds are high in fiber, eating too much too quickly can cause digestive discomfort, like bloating or gas. It's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to let your body adjust. If you have any allergies, particularly to seeds, be cautious when trying chia seeds for the first time. While chia seeds are considered generally safe to eat, some individuals may experience an allergic reaction. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms, stop eating chia seeds and seek medical attention. Chia seeds can also interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners. If you are taking any medication, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. So, have you tried using chia seeds for any of these benefits? We would love to hear your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips to supercharge your diet and health. Thanks for watching.